Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. About 40, we can put 49 minus number 9. And this one, that is about identities. So we have s minus number 7 to the power of 2. So we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s minus number 7 equals to number 3 secant of t. Because we have s, so I will put this one go to the right. So the reason I choose about this one, because if I put this one go here, we have number 9 secant of t square. Number 9, we can do about factorization. Secant of t square minus number 1, we change for tan t square, and later that we simplify the square root and ds. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. S, we change for this one. This one we change for this one. ds we change for this one. So this one we have number 9 secant of t square. So number 9, we can do about factorization. So this one we change for tan t square. The square root of this one, we have number 3 tan t. And now we simplify number 3 tan t, and we have secant of t. So secant of t multiplied by 7 and secant of t. So we have like this. The integration of this one, that is about number 7 ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t. The next one, that is about tan t, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by number 3. And now we can find the value of t, that is about arcsecant of s minus number 7 over number 3. So I will put this one to change for t. Secant of t, that is about this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.